Rubik's Cube. Do you know how these work? Take it and mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. All your stuff. And magically. Tough crowd. I'm going to do it. Blindfolded. You're waiting. Are you guys ready? So what I'm gonna put on the blindfold. I want you to say 1, 2, 3, go. Whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Wrong cue.
Done. Guys, I'm blindfolded. You guys. I actually thought it might be a little more impressive for you guys if I could somehow get one of those sides to match. Whoa. There you go. Walk around the room, sound like a crowd. There it is. Thank you. If that's what I got for one side matching, I don't know what I'll get for two. There's 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Completely matching.
You just memorized them.
I memorized them. She mixed them up.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, I did. You guys are all over me like white on rice. I'm a paper plane in a snowstorm, but that's fine. I did it like 80% of the time, so here's hope. We're going to do the same drill we did before. I'm going to put this on. You said 1, 2, 3, go.